When a priest becomes a diocesan bishop, he must choose a coat of arms and a motto that combines his personal crest with that of the diocese. Bishop Brennan, already a bishop, chose a new coat of arms to reflect his new diocese. Every coat of arms is comprised of multiple elements that are divided into sections: the shield, which is the most important feature, its charges, a motto, and the external ornaments. Bishop Brennan's new coat of arms incorporates elements from Brooklyn that include red and blue quarters separated by a yellow cross, the upper left for the counties of Kings and Queens represented by two crowns, and the wavy bars below for the name of the sea city. The red scallop shell in the middle is to honor St. James the Greater, titular head of the Cathedral Church of Brooklyn. The right side of the shield is reserved for Bishop Brennan's personal arms. The blue cross, similar to a fleur-de-lis, and white star at the bottom, symbolizing the Virgin Mary. The lamb's head, similar to that of Rockville Center in honor of his time spent there, and the two scallop shells at the top for two different saints, John the Baptist and James the Greater. Bishop Brennan's motto remains the same as his time in Columbus: "Thy will be done," taken from the Lord's Prayer.